Hello everyone, this is Sandeep again from Regrop Telangana. Let's continue with the previous discussion, which is what are the documents needed for the registration of properties under RERA. So in this video, I would like to explain regarding the granting process or the registration process of registration of the project. Upon registration of the project, the authorities shall issue a registration certificate with a registration number which will be specified in a form in order to the promoter. In case of rejection of the application, the authority shall intimate the applicant in order to grant an opportunity to rectify the defects in the application within a time period which is specified in the order. Also, we need to discuss regarding the extension of registration of the project. The registration granted under the Act may be extended by the authority on an application made by the promoter in order to triplicate until the application procedure is made web-based within 3 months prior to the expiry of the registration granted. The application for extension of registration shall be accompanied with a demand draft or a banker's check drawn on any scheduled bank or through online payment mode, which will be in case by case. The amount should be equivalent to half the registration fees as prescribed or as needed. The extension of registration of the project shall not be beyond a period provided as per local laws for completion of the project or phase thereof, as it might be case by case. In case of rejection of the extension, the applicant will be provided with an opportunity to rectify the defects in the application within a time period as may be specified on it. There is also a chance for revocation of registration of the project. Upon the revocation of registration of the project, the authority shall issue an revocation form, and also there will be a chance for the applicant or the promoter to rectify the defects in the application which will be provided in a time period specified in it.